Are you tired of washing your electric motorcycle? Well, today I have a solution for you. Today on the Damn Balaclava channel, we will be introducing Charged PEV Cleaner, the easy way to wash your electric motorcycle. In this video, I will show you how to use Charged PEV, the entire process, and give you a little bit more, so make sure you stay to the end of the video. Now, I am in no affiliation with Charged PEV or Saronster. I'm just a big fan of the content and I wanted to check out the product. Let's see what it can do to the RZ. Balaclava up in this.
So, the Charged PEV Starter Kit Bundle includes an all-purpose cleaner, a ceramic waterless wash, a tire and wheel cleaner, and a bonus ceramic sealant. It's going to be in an 8-ounce bottle. At least I thought mine was a bonus because it took me a while to even realize that it was in the box. And I also purchased the Charged drying towel just to complete the full process. Now, this bundle is priced at $100 USD, and when I checked the website for shipping, it didn't mention anything about international shipping. So for my people who are washing overseas, you may have an opportunity to test the product out on your own by going on a website and seeing if you can place an order. Now, the Charged drying towel is not included in the starter kit bundle. However, you still definitely can find it on the Charged PEV website. It'll be up there priced at about $29.99 USD. Now, that will give you a grand total of 56 ounces of cleaner for your e-bike or your electric motorcycle. This should supply you with everything you need to keep your electric motorcycle looking fresh. And this is everything that we need. So let's go get started.
So unfortunately for today, guys, I will not be able to use the Charged ceramic sealant spray. This will repel water. It's supposed to be kind of like a water repellent. Now, with my order, the nozzles that came with my order, there wasn't one for this bottle, and the nozzles that fit on the other bottle don't fit on this one. So I won't be able to use this today, but maybe in the future video, I can show you guys what this stuff is made of.
So you might be wondering, what do I rate the Charged PEV cleaner as a whole and the starter kit bundle? I give the overall starter kit bundle an 8 out of 10 rating, minus not being able to use the ceramic sealant that I mentioned earlier. I'm overall very happy with the results, and I literally can see myself getting some more of this in the future. When I first bought my bike, I had washed it as if it were a regular car, which is a huge mistake. If you don't have any other choice, try to use as little water and soap as possible, because continued exposure will definitely damage your battery. When using the Charged PEV cleaner, I first started with the waterless wash, and I was actually a little surprised with how it worked as a cleaner without any water. Then I went into the all-purpose cleaner, which definitely gave it that new, you know what I mean? It gave the new coat that shine. After that, I used the tire and wheel cleaner, and I just gotta say, I honestly was surprised how well this worked. Like, I literally could see the dirt washing off the tire as I'm spraying. Like, as I'm spraying it, dirt is falling from the tire. Finally, if you're looking to get the starter kit bundle, definitely look into getting the Charged drying towel. I can't say that there's anything special really about it. It's not a breakthrough in the industry of towels, but it's just the right tool for the job. Plus, the extensive size of the towel allows you to have more coverage to prevent streaking when you're washing your bike. Huge shout out to ZQKM, who commented, mentions that he always checks out all the videos, and he said that he basically has the same bike as me. Now, ZQKM had asked for tips when washing your bike and actually inspired today's video. So I wanted to give him a shout out in today's video, and comment down below if anyone here in the Balaclava squad uses Charged PEV, or if you plan to test it out in the future. I appreciate you guys for checking out another video. Stay safe out there.